Hi, this is Rhonda Brzozowiec here, and I wanted to come on here today and just go over the Infinity Processing System compensation plan, because I'm getting a lot of questions about that. So the Infinity Processing System is an affiliate marketing system that's pretty much a done-for-you system. Just to go over the basics here. And there are 3 levels that you can come in at. It's very simple. And as you can see on the screen here, there is a starter level that starts at $50, an elite level at $150, and a pro level at $300. As it says right under the screen here too, there is a one-time $25 administration website fee. And that is to get your own customized website, which this is my website right here. So I will show you this really quick. So it comes on when you give people your link. This is the website. There's a video here for them to look at. There is a picture of you, a little bit about you. You scroll down. There's some more information about Infinity Processing System, or IPS for short, which I'll be saying. Okay, and then you go down and you come here, which are the levels that I told you about. So how does this compensation plan work? Because you get 100% of your commissions, correct? So this is what happens. If you start here at this starter level for $50, okay, at that level, you are eligible for $50 payouts. So what happens is you're going to get your website link, and the button for the $50 level will go directly to you. That is a nice thing about IPS, is the buttons on the website go directly to you. And I'll show you that really quickly here. So here where it says join, and you can click the button, join for the elite level, and join here, okay? These buttons are programmed to go right to whatever payment processor you are using. So for me, they go to my PayPal account. Maybe you use Stripe, maybe you want to use Venmo, maybe you want to use Zelle, maybe you want to use TransferWise. There's a million processors out there, whatever. So you can use whatever payment processor you want, and these buttons are programmed right to you individually. So if you can only start at the $50 level, you can start at the $50 level to start making some money. So what happens if somebody comes in to your website page and they go to the elite level or the pro level, right? If you only started at this starter level, what happens is whoever your sponsor is, their button goes for the elite level and the pro level. Now, you can upgrade at any time. There is a $15 administration fee for the programmer to go in and change your buttons. So if you do need to start at that $50 level to make some money first before you upgrade, that's perfectly fine. Come in where you fit, right? Make a little bit of money, and then you can upgrade. You will have to pay the programmer only $15 to change your buttons. So what happens if you come in at the elite level, the $150 level? It's the same thing. There is that $25 administration fee, and that goes for all levels. That's for them to program your website and personalize it right for you, right? So at the elite level, now your buttons are programmed for the $150 level and the $50 level. So they're going to go directly to you, and then the pro level will go to your sponsor. That will be button will be programmed for them. If you come in at the pro level, which is the top level, $300, which is the level I started at. So once I learned more, I didn't want to lose out on any sales, right? I was like, I want to come in right at the top level right away. It's only $300 to get started, very affordable. So at that $300 level, all of the buttons are programmed directly to you and your payment processor. So if somebody comes to your website, they click on the pro level, they pay the $300, it's instantly in my PayPal account, and I get the notification. There's no waiting to get paid. You're not paid weekly, you're not paid bi-weekly, you're not paid monthly. You are paid immediately through your button, which is amazing, I must say, to get that instant gratification and instant payment. So at that $300 level, all the buttons are programmed directly to you, and you get paid instantly on the pro level, the elite level, and the starter level. You don't have to worry about paying a programmer again. You only will pay that $25 one-time website fee because you're not going to upgrade. You're already at the top level. Once again, however, if you do need to start at a lower level, just because you have things going on in your life, that's perfectly fine. You can start at a lower level and you can upgrade. Even if you start at 50 and then you go up to the pro level at 300, there would be only that $15 fee for the programmer to change your buttons, which are these buttons right here at the bottom. Okay. As you can see, besides that, at each level, you do get a little bit more, right? You get a little bit more training. There's a little bit more in everything right here, right? So I'm not going to go into that in this video. I just wanted to really explain how the payment works for these levels and how the instant pay works, because I've been getting a lot of questions about that. So let me stop my screen share, just come in and say hi at the end here. And anyways, I hope that explains the compensation plan with IPS. Hope you understand it a little bit more now. There will be a button below this level, or there will be a link below this video. If you want to click on it, it will take you to that page. You can get a little bit more information about it. There will also be a link underneath to my Facebook page if you want to reach out to me directly in Messenger. If you have any further questions that I can answer, I'm happy to answer them, okay? So that's all I have to say today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got the information that you needed from it, and I will be talking to you soon. Thanks.